It's better for you to be secure talaga in your retirement age. Hawakan lang to.
Hawakan mo na lang. Ganyan. Check mo nga muna. Salita ka.
Hi.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Nandito na po kami sa Incheon Airport and meron tayong guest ngayon. And tatanungin natin siya kung ano. Pipili ka pala ng number. 1 to 5. Pili ka ng 3. Pero isa-isa lang. Tapos may naka-prepare ako ditong question.
Day 1 muna.
1. So, since ayun nga, nag-qualify tayo sa Korea, what was the highlight of your Korea travel?
Highlight of my Korea travel, when I learned a lot of things from different people that I met. Una-una na dyan yung mga strategy na ginagawa ng ibang agents, how they were able to meet yung etong incentives. And yun, as you were talking with them, mas na-encourage ka na mag-hit pa ng different travel.
Yes. Ano yung next travel mo?
Siyempre, Vietnam. Oo.
Pangalawang tanong. Number ulit.
3.
3. Number 3, how has this travel incentive experience impacted you personally and professionally?
Impacted. Siguro nagkaroon ako ng additional point of views about the career that we have. It encourages me more to ensure more people, not because you're hitting a target of incentive, but because you heard a lot of stories that inspired how your profession is really helping a lot of Filipino people. Kasi Singapore parang almost all talagang kailangan ng insurance eh.
Yes.
But dito sa sa Pilipinas, pahirapan. So professionally, we're eager towards to increase yung percentage nung mga Pilipino na insured.
Alright, last question.
Last na yan, ha?
Oo, last na to. Number 2, 4, 5.
5.
5. If you could bring something from this trip back home with you, ano yun?
Back home with me. Pwede ko bang dalhin dito yung yung malamig na temperature? Isa yun eh. And then,
oo, grabe yun, no?
Kidding aside.
Pero feeling ko hindi ready yung Pinoy pag gano'n. Kasi,
sanay tayo sa sa init eh. Siguro yung yung lifestyle siguro. Since nasanay tayo na ganito yung yung Pilipinas na hinahayaan natin na hindi tayo nakakapag-save for our future. Kasi I think isa sa mga naging lesson ko din yung shinare ni Philip, yung tour guide natin, na upon the age of retirement, talagang iiwan sila. So, you really need to keep a lot of savings for you. Kasi, yun nga, you cannot depend on your children. Kasi once they step up to the age 18, diba? So, parang they have the option to leave you.
Yes.
So, it's better for you to be secure talaga in your retirement age. Yep.
Thank you so much. Ano masasabi mo sa mga kapwa FA mo? Na
FA ko.
So, until now, wala pang travel incentive?
Siguro, it starts from dreaming na parang, wag mo na isipin kung paano, gawin mo na lang yung dapat. Tapos, ang mahalaga, you go with the movers. So, dikit ka lang din sa kung alam mo makakatulong sa'yo na tao para ma-achieve mo yung mga incentives. So,
yes.
Yeah.
Magpa-influence ka sa tamang tao.
Kasi even ako kasi part-timer ako eh. So, parang dikit lalo ako dun sa mga taong makakatulong sa akin.
Yes. Thank you so much. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.